In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Sheet document shortcut to your home screen. So it's actually easy. What you're going to do is just, if you aren't signed it here, just go to your search bar and search for Google Sheet. Then after you search for it, just click on this first one, the online spreadsheet one. After you click on it, click on sign in. Yeah, I'll just go for the blank page. So assuming you want to install this as a shortcut, like you want to install it on your home. So what you're gonna do is just click on these three dots, then scroll down, then click on this cards up onto this, then up onto this save and share, and then click on this install page as an app, then click on install. As you can see, if you go back to the home screen, you are going to see the Google Sheet here, and also you can also pin it to your taskbar, in which way you can easily have access to it. And that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.